sometimes I wonder, why will a state, why would National Executive Committee go to a state to conduct an election, and then you'll be having parallel chairmen, you can't resolve things? I've been asking this question over and over. If people are genuine and they are credible, why will you have problems organizing an election? If you are selecting delegates transparently and you are going to conduct elections transparently, why must we have challenges? That thing has been going through my head. And when Secondary became national chairman, well, I went back to him to advise him on a number of things. And that was the last time, I had any conversation with him. Maybe because I was too frank in telling him certain things that, I wasn't involved in any of the party activities. We tried to force ourselves to be part of the party, to see that we move the party from one level to the other. But somehow it didn't work. And PDP is a party where the more you walk, the more you are distanced. When they see that you are genuine and they are frankly giving them the needed advice for the party to move forward, they would not want to extend the hands of fellowship to you, and that is very, very bad. Politics, the way some of us understand it, is management of resources and people. And management of people requires, you need a lot of people to come around, to work collectively to produce what is good for the nation. Today, Nigeria is ripe for PDP. I don't know the statement I'm going to make, but the PDP, are we ready? Are we ready? Well, it takes commitment, it takes planning, it takes thinking, to get to where we should get to. There's a lot of difference between PDP and the APC. Looking back at history from where we are coming from, there's a big difference between the PDP and the APC. When PDP wants to do certain things, PDP will lack the courage to do certain things, but APC is not so. When they want to do certain things, they do it decisively. But that was what we lacked. We didn't lose in the 2015 elections. Yeah. But we only lacked courage to take what belonged to us. We never had the courage to take what was rightly our own. We didn't lose that election. We knew what was happening all over everywhere. I'm writing a book on the Nigeria presidency and psychophancy. Nigeria presidency and psychophancy. The biggest problem of society is psychophancy. I remember working very closely with President Goodluck Jonathan. Sometimes we'll be 10 people in one room with Goodluck Jonathan. About 9 people will be praising him. Say, this is what Nigerians are saying. Nigerians are saying you are this, you are humble, you are this. And I was telling him, I said, Mr. President, that's not what Nigerians need. Nigerians need a president that is courageous, a president that is decisive. That's the kind of president Nigerians need. But that was how we got to where we are. Well, the controversy is still on. For me, if I don't know, except the 2 major parties will take their candidates from the South, anyone that picks his candidate from the north will have an edge over anyone that is coming from the south. Is that one you don't need any soothsayer to tell you that. But we need to, APC is also looking at PDP. You will find out that PDP will not hold their convention till our hold. They will push it to the last minute. And if we pick our presidential candidate from the north, they will also pick from the north.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.